After a three-day hearing tonight, a judge denied the state of Georgia's request to terminate the parental rights of this Camden County couple. We've been following Corey and Diana Sullivan's case for months now. The husband is accused of child abuse, which the Sullivans deny. They've been fighting for almost a year to regain custody of their three young children taken from them after they took their baby to the hospital for a swollen leg and found out she had numerous fractures.
Right now, I'm just overrun with emotions. It was great that we didn't lose our parental rights. I'm just a little bit in a state of shock that I don't get to go home to my kids today.
Moments after learning the parental rights would not be terminated, Diana and Corey Sullivan walked out of the courthouse hopeful they now have a chance to be reunited with their one-year-old twins and four-year-old daughter.
The judge denied the TPR, which is great news for us. He gave us a plan to work, and if we get through that plan, there should not be any reason we can't be reunited with our children. Those were his words. So I feel positive about that.
The judge making that decision and ordering a 6-month reunification plan after what attorneys described as a battle of experts inside this Camden County Juvenile courtroom. For 3 days, Judge Brent Green listened to testimony from more than a dozen people as the state of Georgia called witnesses to describe why they believe the baby's fractures were caused by abuse. Attorneys for the Sullivans called witnesses to dispute that and pointed to a metabolic bone disease that could explain their twin daughter's injuries. Both parents testified on Wednesday and say they spent upwards of $70,000 on IVF to get pregnant with their children and have spent more than $100,000 in legal expenses fighting to regain custody of them.
The emotional completely outweighs the financial. I mean, I would pay it 1,000,000 times over to get my children back, and they could never put a price on everything I've missed. My daughter's first birthday, Christmas, her first words.
While he has not been indicted and denies ever abusing his child, Corey Sullivan is still facing felony aggravated battery and cruelty to a child charges, and as a condition of his bond, cannot have contact with his twin daughter.
There's a motion pending to amend the bond condition. We're going to ask the court to amend the criminal court to amend the bond conditions so that he can participate in the reunification plan.
I just can't wait to go home.
Yeah, we just can't wait to be with our children.
And the Sullivans say they are eager to do everything the court is requiring of them to get their children back and move back into their home as soon as possible. I did ask the attorney for the state for a comment. She declined. And we should point out that the child abuse pediatrician at the center of this case did not testify at this hearing. And this is a story we've been following closely for months now. You can read and watch our previous stories, including the claims against one of the doctors involved, by opening this story in the First Coast News app. It's posted right now on our homepage.